Okay, I just wanted to show you some stuff we got. I got all these poles. I don't know if you can see them. I got this tech gun. I'll show you more when we get back to our house. I wasn't going to film it. I was just going to grab it. And I got all these just for scrap at least. They're a bunch of plugins, APC plugins. Over in here we're going to have a dumpster full of goodies. There's a computer, some a calculator, whole bag of wire, which I'm not for sure what's going on in there. Hard to do one-handed. Yeah, there's hard drives. Boxes of hard drives. There's a hard drive. Another hard drive. I don't know what those are. Little bitty trash can. Pretty beat up and cut up. A lot of little plugs. Don't need that. This is all network cable. There ain't no much copper in that. There's a printer right here. And then this thing's just crazy full of stuff. You want to get down on that? Or?
Yeah, that's what I was planning on doing.
Ooh, this is full. What's this at?
I don't know.
Membership Directory, Buyer's Guide, National Travel Association. Yeah, we'll take your computer though.
I'm going to stand on this thing down here.
Hold on. All the parts and pieces to them. Display link, plug USB, I don't know what that is. What are you going to stand on?
This carpet thing.
What's in this box?
It's empty.
We're going to use it for stuff then. Alright, get in there. Careful.
Yeah, baby.
Is that coffee maker in there? No.
What?
I was wondering if that coffee maker was in there.
I checked to see and there wasn't one.
Start grabbing cables, I guess.
Cables?
Yeah.
That's connected, so. What is this? No, it's not connected. What is that?
What is that? Some kind of paper shredder. Hopefully we get the cord off of it. There we go. Oh, I'm over here pointing to the ground with the camera. Ooh, I like that. Hopefully it works.
It's like it goes to the phone.
Goes to something, don't it? Yeah, worst is we'll scrap it all. Looks like they threw away all their systems.
There's this. Oh, there's it. What is this?
It's another power charger, power brick of something. Keyboard, USB keyboard.
Are you wanting printers?
I don't know. Here's some hard drives. Grab those hard drives. See those two things?
Okay.
What's your feet in that tissue? Shouldn't be in here. Flip-flops. Should put your tennis shoes on.
Yeah, too late.
Yeah, that's where you store all your memory. That one's been cut. They cut the part of the cut. See, they thought about scrapping because they cut the cable off of it. A little faster. Two hands.
I'm trying.
Oh, we'll get those out last.
Hey, there's a dime.
There's a what?
A dime.
Huh. Good work. Those are little hard drives. Get that WD. Yeah, that's a mini for a laptop.
I don't know what that is. But that
I don't know
looks
either. It looks like it cuts cable off of it. I don't know. Keep going.
I don't know what any of that stuff
That's a
is.
screen of a laptop.
Oh.
I scrapped it. I don't want that. I don't want that. Careful. Don't want that. That's not worth anything.
No, got it.
Watch what you're grabbing. Come on, don't just look.
I don't know what that is. Looks like it's a little clean tool.
I don't know.
This is a phone cord.
We don't need the phone cord, but the power strip. Power strip's power strip. The hard drive. Floppies. Oh, Apollo script. Windows 95 startup. These are old. Okay, we don't need none of that.
Okay. More floppy disks. So these are.
No, we don't pick up floppies. Don't need them.
No need. Yeah.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Yeah, we'll take cables. VGA to. Those were like split screen, so you can have dual screen. That's nice setup there. I don't know what that is.
Cleaner.
I know, but wait, I don't want it. Keyboard, mouse. Look how old that mouse is. It's all faded, but they're good ones. The old Microsoft mouse. Something.
There's so much cable.
More cable. All right, let me take this box. You keep digging. I'm gonna take this box to the car.
Okay.
All right. Here's all kinds of phone cords.
Yeah,
Tons of CDs. I don't think we want any of it.
I don't think we do either. All kinds of floppy disks.
It's all their business. So we need to move the pile. What's down in there? Anything?
Yeah, there's other stuff that I can't get to right now.
Okay, don't worry about it.
This. It's like a battery or something, like a computer battery.
Yeah.
So.
That one's broke.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to move the pile. So
Yeah.
you're gonna jump out of here. No, you stay there.
I'm staying here.
Move this all over. What's that say? Oh, that's that hose. Yeah.
A roll of tape.
A little tape. Take.
Nothing. Here.
You hold this. I'll get the tree. I wonder if I should take it. I think I should take it. I mean, it needs a power cord, but I bet I'll take it.
Okay.
Set it out for debate on it.
All kinds of stuff.
It's hot out here.
It is hot. Really hot. I don't know. I might have to rip into that bag.
I'm gonna rip into it. Don't look like it's worth ripping into. I don't know what that stuff is. That power strip's good. Yep, took it.
Hey, there's like a little mouse pad.
Stinks.
It does stink because there's trash.
That was weird light bulb.
That is odd.
What's this? Full of Microsoft stuff. Feels weird not to maybe take it since it's all Microsoft.
Yeah.
It even has the MSND. It's like a tech that'd be a tech software bag or something. Mask. I don't know what that is. Oh, I know what it is. You lay your cable under it.
Oh yeah.
Makes it flat and you hide a cable under it, I think. Cockroach. That's a little cockroach.
Ew.
Put my hand on. Oh, what do we got here? What do we got here? I don't know what that is. It's a Dell. I'm gonna take her for now. Still heavy for not having nothing in it. Ooh, look at that one. That's a battery backup. It's heavier than shit. Yeah, somebody's been teaching computers. Let me grab all these. Now, we'll at least get rid of them. Wait, do we have? Oh, no, we got the cable though. We'll take the power cable. Do we have the laptop? No, no laptop.
Oh, that's sad.
Oh, it's that.
Woo.
Spin and sell, the best validated sell method available today. Or if he's ever been dumpster diving. What's this guy doing? Customer citric selling. Netgear router. We'll take it. Definitely didn't come new from Amazon, I know that. This is definitely personal. Oh. There's our laptop.
Ooh.
This is Carolyn's laptop.
Oh. When does she want her laptop back?
I don't know. Hell yeah.
Wow.
Hell yeah.
Wow.
We'll put that up there.
Yeah. Well, that's amazing. Good find. Oh, what else is over here?
Now you just gotta hope that one of those plugs plug into it. Now power cords mean something.
I'm a little trapped.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Dell monitor. We'll take it. Didn't have the stand, but oh well. You got the stand or get one. Ooh, what is this? Jetpack Verizon. It's in there.
Wow.
Nice haul. Nice haul. It's coming along good. This is the top two. The damn printer. I really don't want to take it, I think. But what it goes, I really don't want to take printers because they're a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
We'll see. Oh.
What? Is it in there?
An Ultra dock, whatever it is.
Wow.
To plug in all your stuff. Hell yeah. How much time's left on that?
Minute and like 50 seconds.
Alright, stop it and start it again. You just turned it off.
Nah, that's part of
All
the
right.
printer.
Huh?
It's part of the printer.
Yeah, I don't want it. Oh, there's laptops. Okay. We want all that. Don't step on that. What is that first?
That.
Hell yeah, it's a rack mount system, a Dell
Oh.
router system.
Okay, so don't step on that.
And take this to the car. Running out of room. See all them laptops back there? It's crazy. It'd be nice if one of them worked. Or any of them worked. Got those. I'll just scrap those for weight. They cut the tips of them off.
You want this Dell piece?
Nope. Get right in there. Then you can start grabbing these
I gotta
laptops.
move this first.
That's like a scanner or something.
It is. Okay.
Right here. Care about the keyboards as much as the
I
laptop.
know. Give me. Ugh. This is the bottom.
Shit. It's missing everything out of it. I'm taking it anyway. Now that sucks. It's probably in here.
Like
Wireless mouse. Don't just... This is a laptop here. Dale. That's a laptop right there. 2 more laptops right there. Nice. Wiped hard drive keep for space. Huh. That's another one of those network router hubs. Another licensed software thing.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I think I found the bottom.
Found the
It's not
bottom.
the side, but the bottom.
On the bottom of something. Wireless keyboards. Need another box.
And another. Oh.
Okay, folks. You see everything we got going on in here. I'm gonna put this down so I can double hand it, and we'll probably show you the score later. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and all that good jazz, because we're sweating ourselves off to make some good stuff for you here. So we'll let you go for now. All right, we're back from our haul. This was, if you watched the video before this one, or maybe the one newer than this one right before it, this is what we got on the haul. But this is what we got. There's 2 printers, Brother printers. There and there. There's a tower, but it's been demolished inside, but there's parts worth stuff. There's a Dell monitor. Oh, the candy bars. That's funny that they're there. The things are crazy. Another tower. Still has the DVD burner in it. And this one's, see all the cards are, you can see the shredded paper in there where we pulled her out of the dumpster. I don't have the side panels either, but hard drives and stuff are still in it. No, the hard drive's not in this one. But I got hard drives too. All these little strips, that's where you would plug all your workstations into. They cut the tips off all of them. All the tips are cut off of them. But I'm not for sure. I figured it's full of copper inside. And some of the cases on the outside feel like aluminum. I haven't got a magnet and checked it out yet. I got some of the stuff I don't even know what it is. This thing's called an Ultra Dock Dual Video USB 3.02 docking station. So it looks like you can plug all kinds. It's got VGA, HDMI, DVI. Wow, it's got all kinds of cool stuff. Still in the box. And this thing, label your cables correctly the first time. Tech gun cable. Let me open it up. It's got, guessing label maker. Look at that thing. That thing's cool. So you can label all the cables when you're putting in your networks and stuff, probably. Anyway, that was in the dumpster. Got this, oh, got this Netgear router. Haven't even looked through some of this. I don't know what that is. That's an empty box. UG cable. Oh, a calculator, Canon. Oh, went all the paper. I'm going to keep some of the paper. Easier to sell if I got a paper to show them that it works. Hard drive, some power cords, more power cords. Oh, Ken Air. Is it gonna work? Are we gonna get any air? Woo! Got air. All right. Staples, hard drive. Something right here. It's like it's upside down, but it's like some kind of workstation that plugs into back of a laptop or something. You slide it in underneath. It sets on it. I think oh, anyway, I got laptops too. I didn't tell you all about that. Anyway, a mess of cables. How you doing, Willow?
I'm doing good.
We got some sun. She got some sun on her face. I got sun. My arms are cooked. We did the water park yesterday. See, there's this little thing. We got, I don't know what some of the stuff is. Keyboards, power strips, mice. In this box we got Platronics, some kind of adapter. All kinds of weird things. Oh, that goes, I think I had a mouse that had that emblem on it. Hard drives, cables, probably, I don't even know what those are. Global Connect, what are, more cables. Here's a piece of a laptop. Dell. Still got the memory in it. Missing the hard drive, but I had a laptop hard drive around here I seen. Come over here. I haven't even looked. You're looking as me. We were just grabbing and going. Oh, battery backup system, and I got 3 of these. Dell Power Connect 62224. No, 6224. I don't know what I said this minute ago. Anyway, 3 of those that go in rack systems. Oh, I got bubble wrap. That was earlier. I got these albums. There's one over there too, full of Microsoft software. MSN subscriptions, probably all old stuff. I'm guessing this is from a company that trashed a whole bunch of, maybe got new stuff. Got this, a Verizon Jetpack 4G. I think this is a hotspot. It says hotspot still active account. Huh. And we got a free hotspot for a while. There's another one of them little docking stations for your laptop. You set that on. That's a cool little deal there. Old stuff though. This is the bottom of that one. Glad I grabbed that out. Good grab. And look at this packing material. I've never seen it before. Some neat stuff there. Always need packing material. Put that over there. Packing stuff. Wire. Some more chargers. Oh, I was hoping, Willow, that was one for that laptop. There's some in here. There's a lead-on battery. Is that a battery? Yeah, rechargeable. So there's some money here. Anyway, I'll probably scrap these. I don't think, since I cut the cords off of them, I can do anything with them. Oh, I got these wireless keyboards. I got to step back because my camera now is wide angle, so you don't get to see. Yeah, 3 or 4 keyboards, couple wireless, couple mice, tons of cords, which we're going through and keeping and tossing. You know, keep what we can. Recycle network cable, which is worthless. If you think it's worth something, tell me. Maybe you can have it. You can pay for shipping and I'll send it. Oh, I hated that this didn't work, man. This is a cool little shredder. The handle is sticky. I put that around it. But it's supposed to shred credit cards and CDs, but I can't get it to power on. So, but let me walk you real quick into my kitchen. Oh, I got this shelving. That's a pretty cool setup. And then I'll walk you into the... Is there something else? Oh, I got some coat hangers I found for my Poshmark stuff. Oh yeah, and wrapping paper. It's still in the sealed. I don't even know where we put it. Where'd you put it? Oh, right there. There's blue, red, so you can use that for any holiday. Those computers we didn't find. I already had those. I used to work for a computer company. And I just got these coat hangers because you always need it for your Poshmark, you know. You end up using all your personal. I know coat hangers are cheap, but they were there. So we grabbed them. Let me walk in quick and show you what we got going on in here. Alright, these we found. The one laptop out there. This one I just plain on it. It's been wiped. It's an old Latitude, but I'm just letting it run through some things. I have to load Windows on it, but it seems to be good. And I got 3 of those. This one, that one, and now this one had the person's name on it. I don't know who they are, but well, anyway. And this one, man, it's nice, but I don't have a power cord. Oh, grab that, open it up there. Yeah. Oh, it is missing the bevel around the edge. Well, let's see where it was glued. So it might not power on, but it's got JBL speakers. Found this in the dumpster too, so it's definitely gonna be worth something. Anyway, yeah, nice little find. We were just going out to get some tanning lotion. I mean, not tanning lotion, some lotion, because we're both burnt from going to the water park. But that's a little bit of our, not a little bit, that is. This is what we found. I think it's a pretty good haul. Definitely some money to be made here, either scrapping some of it, yeah, probably scrapping a lot of it, and selling the rest. Thanks for looking. Keep on checking us out. We're always out there looking for something. Get bored, so we head off to see if we can find something to make a little money. Appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should be doing, if you like what you don't like. And always subscribe, because I need more viewers. Always need the viewers. So I appreciate your time. Thank you.